उच्च न्यायालयाच्या दोळ्याक उदक लावपा खातीर मडगांव पालिका सिवरेज तशेंच हेर संबंधित खात्यांनी तळ्या मेरेन वचून आसतना तळ्याची पळोवणी केल्ल्याचो अजापीत करपा सारको प्रकार काल पळोवपाक मेळ्ळो। सिवरेज लायन सारकी ना, हळशिकावणे उदक प्रकल्पात वचचे बदला ह्या तळ्यांत येता। ह्या प्रकाराक जबाबदार कोण?
सायपे तळ्यातल्या प्रदूषण प्रकरणात उच्च न्यायालयात एकल्यान याचिका दाखल केल्या। ही याचिकेचे सुनावणे वेळार प्रदूषण आडोवपा खातीर पालिका तशेंच संबंधित खात्यांनी कसली उपाययोजन केल्या असो प्रश्न न्यायालयान विचारिल्लो। तशेंच जून म्हयन्यात जावपी सुनावणे वेळार हे विशीं अहवाल सादर करपाक सांगला। उच्च न्यायालयान दिल्ल्या आदेशा प्रमाण पालिका सिवरेज तशेंच हेर संबंधित खात्यांनी पळोवणी केलीय बी, पूण ती तळ्यातल्या प्रदूषणाची न्हय। सुमार 160 हॉटेलां आणि व्हड इमारतींतल्यान येवपी हळशिकावणे उदक सायपे तळ्यान येता। हाची जबाबदारी घेवप तरी कोणे असो प्रश्न निर्माण जाला।
This is a High Court matter. Saipan Lake saying that the nearest rivers and so are all polluted. There are some sources of who are causing the nuisance. Accordingly, we have conducted inspection and we have found that almost 160 hotels and some big buildings which are a source of this nuisance. Accordingly, we have issued notice to them. And today there was a hearing of this matter. All the stakeholders, all the authorities, even the petition was present here. And we have decided to go at a site and find out some solutions. According to the petitioner, the disconnection of the power supply, electricity supply, that is not the solution, and there should be at least some concrete action has to be taken by the authorities. So we are trying our best to come out with some solutions with the help of all the stakeholders as well as the petitioner and the other departments, online department like sewerage department, health department, PWD. We have called all them. We have held a meeting with Pollution Control Board as well.
Problem has been there for past 25 years. आता आमच्या सॅनिटरी ऑफिसर सांगतालो की ते थोडे ड्राय आहा म्हणून ते इतले तेम शेत रोयन आला आनी तूं आख्या ते हॉर्न पुरोन गेल्ले प्रॉब्लम दॅट इज नॉट ड्राय अदरवायज हो टायम तिंगा नुस्तें मारपा आसलो शेत बी कांय रोयल ना ताका लागून प्रॉब्लम जालें कितें ते हॉर्नूय पुरोन गेले बी एंड ते सील्ड आहा त्या हितून हें जालो इट वील नॉट बी इजी टू अगेन स्टार्ट कल्टिवेशन अनलेस इट इज डिसिल्टेड. So there are a lot more departments going to play their role here, like WRD, irrigation department, agriculture department, soil testing, and only then crop will be possible. Yesterday's hearing, I had told the court myself that I am happy that notices have been sent to certain buildings which are suspect to have left there. But the most important thing is this water is coming right up from west side, from top side. Storm water drain, gutter, so all these gutters and storm water drains have to be implemented. And today in the office of the CO, I said that Margaon has to have a plan, the entire gutter plan at their disposal, so that can be used as a reference. The other thing is the functionality of the STP plant is a big suspect.
तुमची सिवरेज कनेक्शन फुल आसा मडगांवा भितर? चालू आसा वता सिवरेज अप टू प्लांट वता काय खंय तरी हें आसा? वता ते म्हणटा ना म्हणटा बॅक वता कितें म्हणटा म्युन्सिपालिटीन सांगला आतां रिप्लाय खूब कडेन तुमगे सिवरेज डायरेक्ट रो सोडिल्लो आतां कोमा कितें जालो प्रॉब्लम?
ते नॉर्थ मेन मातशें डॅमेज आसा नॉर्थ मेन.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक टीव्ही।